Now if we open edited failed and edit it, we obviously need to do some tidying up here. Rather than products, we have to have orders. The record has been updated successfully. Go back to the list of orders, obviously, and everything else stays the way it is. So if we copy the heading orders and edited failed, simply replace orders. Here on the heading, there was a problem updating your record. Please contact administrator, stays the way it is. Now that's all fine. If we go back to the edit page, obviously we are clicking on a view link on the front end. If we go back, you can see we've got a link called view, but we're displaying orders edit. Perhaps we should display this as view as well. So orders view, and the same actually we should apply to failed and edited. So orders view, the record has been updated successfully. Yeah, well, we could leave it as edit and then change the link basically, but let's keep it consistent basically. So now that we've done all this, let's have a look at our remove file. So in order to remove the file, obviously we need to create the instance of the object of the order class. So object order, and this is going to be new order, and then it's not going to be a product, it's going to be order equals object order get order. We pass in ID, all that works fine. Then obviously name of the array here needs to be changed to order as well. We have remove with the parameter. These stay exactly the same they are. Then obviously catalog, it's going to be object order rather than object catalog, and it's going to be remove order, and we pass the ID. Then obviously if it's been successful, I mean if the parameters here, this has been executed, then we're redirecting them back to the list, and obviously we need to change here orders remove. I sure you want to remove this record, there's no undo, yes, no, that stays the way it is. So basically what we need to do now is to create this remove order method. So if we copy the name of this method, open our classes folder, open order.php, scroll right to the bottom, and we're going to create a new one, few new lines obviously as usual, and we start with public function remove order, and we need ID of the order, by default null. Then we check if is an empty ID, and now SQL equals delete from this underscore table where ID equals, and concatenation, obviously single quote before this db escape ID, concatenating with single quote, semicolon right at the end, and then obviously we just return this db query and our SQL as parameter. And that's everything inside of this function specific method of the order class. And I think we can basically test this one. We haven't got many orders, but anyway, let's go back. We obviously cannot remove this one because it's processing already. If we change the status view, let's change the status to pending update. Go back, click on remove. If we click on no, we obviously redirect it back. If we click on yes, then we've removed the order physically from a table. As you can see, orders table, browse, there's nothing. Order items also have been removed, as we have a relation obviously to the order. So that's been removed successfully, and obviously we have no orders now. Next chapter will be about clients, so let's move on and start actually developing this section.